My girl, she's all ready. She's got her Alabama shirt on, Roll Tide Roll. What'd you think about that game?
Yeah, Don's pretty happy. I was glad they won. We don't need a,
Yeah.
depressed Donnie over
That's
the
right.
football game. So
That's right.
they did what they were supposed to do, and I'm showing my support this morning.
That's right.
Good guardian angel find.
That's right. It looks really good on her.
Thanks, Donnie.
I want to hang with you, but Morris and Stripe are like, they're like right there. They are almost. Thank goodness Tux is hungry enough he hasn't put up his high alert yet. Morris is like, I want the food, woman, but I don't trust you. Taking myself over here into the distance till you walk back away. Well, Mom's request for the day is please don't fight with Tux, because I'm pretty sure that's who Tux was fighting with. Hi, buddy, I see you. Yes, I see you. I'm putting your food down.
Paper, that's all.
I need Legos.
Oh, no Legos, no empty mailbox.
Yeah, I'm back to several packages taking over 2 weeks to come half the country distance. I sure wish the mail would get back on track.
Right.
It's noon and the sun is starting to come out, so that's nice. It was pretty dreary out there this morning. They said if it got nice and sunny, we might hit 60, but if it stayed pretty cloudy, we'd be in the mid-50s, so I guess time will still tell. But I will take any blue sky that North Carolina wants to give us this afternoon. Hey, Panther, you enjoying your heating pad? That's good, bud. He gets nervous when I come out with the camera, so he doesn't give us his best smile. Same day.
Oh, right.
Same helpers is what I really meant, and a different day.
Right, different days, same helper.
Yep. Hi, nighttime. She goes, I might decide that your spot is better midnight. Now you need to move and give me this spot. I plan to drive Ruby today and play Pogo and just get out for a bit after Robotics. Right now, I need to build this small sumobot. It's probably a 15-minute build for me if I don't have any problem finding the parts. I'm out here in the garage. I did not have Tux in the crate last night. Probably going to let Don put it away. He seems to be doing much better. You know, I trimmed his hair, so it's going to take a while for that spot on his head to look totally normal. But as long as it's healing, that's all that's important, right? We still love him anyway, even with the big whole spot on top of his head. And he's currently resting on the back platform. So as long as he's not up the hill trying to find trouble, we're good. Hey, Tux. Johnny and I just gave him his daily dose of antibiotics only once a day. It's a squirt bottle. We're giving him Veriflox, and he tolerates it pretty good. One person holds, one person administers the dropper of liquid, and he's purring and over the trauma now, so, and continuing to look like he's healing, which is all we can ask for. It'll take a while for the hair to grow back in, where I cut it back with the scissors so I could clean it, but he's doing good. He's doing good. That's midnight out in the hallway talking. Well, Don is really borderline having enough daylight to run, but this would be 3 days straight of working and not running and sitting all day for 7+ hours. So he's determined. He's determined. You'll see me in South Park because I haven't been out in Ruby today, and I'm fixing to go do my Pogo. So
Well, it looks like it's still a little sun out there somewhere.
yeah, there's a little bit of sun. He's got maybe
5:25 is sunset, but it doesn't get dark till about 5:45.
yeah. Just don't let the idiots on the hill not see you.
Yes. So
I didn't mean that. I mean those wonderful drivers that
my
come.
fellow man. Just make sure my fellow man does not run my ass over.
Right, exactly. I told my students never, ever, ever can they run the robot up on top of a tabletop, even if they think their program works. And now I'm going to not listen to my own advice and just watch the robot. Actually have it pointed in the wrong direction. Here. It's going to wait 3 seconds and then it's going to stay inside the box. I actually have it running pretty low right now, so It's not using the ultrasonic sensor, the eyeballs in the front. It's using the color sensors mounted on the left and the right. One of the kids asked me, what if both color sensors hit at the same time, like that scenario? And I told him the program really will pick one or the other as the hit. And it's making a turn, backing up and making a turn based on a little bit different depending on which one hits. So I would say my robot stays within the box. Next up, find the opponent inside the box too. It was pretty successful today. Although this whole remote, kids don't actually get to touch the robot thing, is a little disappointing for all involved. I would really rather have the kids touching the robot and me being in person. Well, I'm out with Ruby and the sun is definitely on its way down. I didn't leave too long after dawn. I don't think I'll have missed him at South Park. Never got as warm as we'd hoped today. Too much clouds early this morning. It's like 50 right now. Hey, Donnie.
Hello, pretty girl. Hey there.
Hello. It was by no means a spectacular sunset tonight, but there is some pretty sky color there, and I do appreciate that the sun came out today. Well, it's time for me to get out of the park before I get caught in the park after dusk, after dark, after it looks dark, after it might be late. A lot of nights there's people up here, quite a few, so maybe safety in numbers, but probably not so much tonight. It's all right. I'm sure Don's about out of his shower and ready for something to eat. So, let me go handle that for him. And me. And Johnny. So that's the Ring spotlight cam lighting up the boardwalk for me. It's been very beneficial. I can reach in the garage, you know, pop in and use A to turn on the backyard lights, but it's quite handy to have the Ring spotlight cam just automatically detect me and come on. I left Ruby out because Johnny's got Taekwondo. I think I have hit the Lego package jackpot. I just want you to know that I think there's actually going to be a honey-do list for this weekend.
Oh, no.
For like the first time ever. It's pilot, all the little things I can't ask you to do during the day, they're piling up.
Oh, but I was going to take it easy and put my feet up this weekend and relax. I'm a hard-working boy.
I got a list.
Oh.
I'm not kidding, I've got a list. You can start with my water bottle that I broke the handle on, that you need to put a screw in the handle to fix it for me.
Actually, a pop rivet.
Whatever you do, just work some magic on it. That's probably like a 10-minute, thing. But that's number one. That's number one. Number two, the USB-A on the end of my ring light, where you had to fix it for me when it was malfunctioning. Those things pop apart.
Yeah.
And that's beyond me to pop it back together. You need to pop it back together, and you need to put tape on it so it never comes apart again.
I'm getting marching orders. She's telling me how to fix stuff. Not just it needs
well,
fixed.
I'm just saying, Kitten is going to finger it, and it's going to come apart again. Maybe some black electrical tape might be in order. That won't slow me up on using it none.
We'll do her right.
So that's at least the first two things.
Okay.
I'll leave it at that for now.
Okay. So far,
They're piling, though. They're piling.
Right.
I'm missing you.
I understand. I miss you too, sweetie.